Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's delve into the common issues surrounding virtual environment creation errors and pip usage with superuser privileges, and why you generally shouldn't need to use it. This will be a comprehensive guide with examples. Understanding the problem, virtual environments and permissions. The core principle behind virtual environments is isolation. They create self-contained spaces for your Python projects, preventing conflicts between different projects that might require different versions of the same libraries. The most common errors arise from 1. Missing dependencies / tools *. The tools needed to create virtual environments, like venv or virtualenv, aren't installed on your system. 2. Incorrect Python path *. The virtual environment creator can't find your Python interpreter or is using the wrong one. 3. Permissions issues *. The user you're running commands as doesn't have the necessary permissions to create directories and files in the desired location for the environment. This is where the temptation to use sudo often comes in, but that's usually a bad idea in this context. 4. Conflicting global packages *. Rarely, if global Python packages are installed in a way that conflicts with the virtual environment's bootstrapping process, it can cause issues. 5. Antivirus interference *. In some cases, especially on Windows, overly aggressive antivirus software might interfere with the creation of the virtual environment. Why you should avoid sudo pip, most of the time. Using sudo pip is generally discouraged for several reasons. Dependency conflicts *. When you install packages globally, using sudo pip, they become available to all Python projects on your system. This can lead to conflicts if different projects require incompatible versions of the same package. Virtual environments solve this precisely. Security risks *. Installing packages globally with superuser privileges can open your system to security vulnerabilities if a malicious package is installed. The package could potentially execute arbitrary code with root permissions. Unintended system-wide changes *. Installing packages globally can inadvertently modify system-level Python settings, potentially breaking other applications that rely on Python. User-specific versus system-wide *. You usually want packages for your projects to be isolated to your user account, not for the entire system. Common error scenarios and solutions. Let's break down the error scenarios and how to resolve them. 1. Module not found error, no module named venv, or similar. Problem *. The venv module, or the tool you're using, like virtualenv, is not installed or is not accessible to your Python installation. Venv comes standard with Python 3.3 and later, but might not be present if you're using an older version or a custom Python installation. Solution *. Verify Python version *. First, check your Python version. If it's below 3.3, consider upgrading to a newer version of Python. Install venv, if necessary. Even with Python 3.3+, the venv module might not be installed by default in some distributions. Use your system's package manager to install it. The package name varies slightly depending on your operating system. Debian / Ubuntu *. Fedora / CentOS /RHEL *. Mac OS, using Homebrew. If using virtualenv, instead of venv. 2. Permission denied or similar permission-related errors. Problem *. The user you're running the commands as doesn't have write access to the directory where you're trying to create the virtual environment. Solution *. Choose a directory you own *. The simplest and best solution is to create the virtual environment in a directory that belongs to your user. A common convention is to create a venv directory inside your project's directory or a dedicated envs directory in your home directory. Check directory permissions. If you must create the environment in a location where you're getting permission errors, examine the directory's permissions. The output will show the permissions. If you don't have write access, the W flag is missing for your user or group, you can try changing the ownership or permissions. However, be very careful when using chown and chmod, as it can have unintended consequences if done incorrectly. It's usually better to simply create the virtual environment in a directory you own. Example, use with caution and understanding. Explanation. Chown changes the owner and group. $user expands to your username. means recursive, changes all files and subdirectories. *ma changes the permissions. 775 means the owner and group have read, write, and execute permissions, while others have read and execute. Do not use sudo python 3 venv to create the virtual environment. This will create the environment owned by the root user, and you'll have further permission problems when trying to activate it and install packages. 3. Incorrect Python path or multiple Python versions. Problem. Your system might have multiple Python versions installed, and the virtual environment creator is picking the wrong one. This can lead to errors like module not found error or unexpected behavior. Solution. Explicitly specify the Python interpreter. Use the full path to the desired Python interpreter when creating the virtual environment. First, find the full path to your Python 3 interpreter, the one you want to use. Then, use that path when creating the virtual environment. Set virtualenv_Python environment variable, if using virtualenv. If you're using the virtualenv package, instead of venv, you can set the virtualenv_Python environment variable to specify the Python interpreter. 4. Conflicting global packages, rare. Problem. Sometimes, a globally installed package can interfere with the creation of a virtual environment. This is less common, but it can happen if a global package has dependencies that conflict with the virtual environment's requirements. Solution. Try a clean virtual environment. Create the virtual environment with the -no side packages option, or the equivalent for your environment creator. This tells the environment creator to not inherit packages from the global Python installation. Identify and remove conflicting global packages. List your globally installed packages and look for any that might be causing conflicts. If you identify a potential culprit, try uninstalling it globally, using sudo pip uninstall package_name. Be careful before uninstalling global packages, as other applications on your system might depend on them. 5. Antivirus interference, Windows. Problem. On Windows, certain antivirus programs might interfere with the creation of virtual environments, particularly if they aggressively scan files or lock directories. Solution. Temporarily disable antivirus. As a temporary troubleshooting step, try disabling your antivirus software, or at least temporarily disabling real-time scanning. Then, try creating the virtual environment again. Re-enable your antivirus software immediately after testing. Add exceptions. If you identify that your antivirus is the cause, add exceptions to the antivirus configuration for the directory where you're creating the virtual environment and for the Python executable itself. Consult your antivirus software's documentation for how to do this. Creating and using virtual environments, the correct workflow. Here's the standard workflow for creating and using virtual environments without sudo. 1. Choose a project directory *. 2. Create the virtual environment *. 3. Activate the virtual environment *. Activation activation modifies your shell environment, so that when you type Python or pip, you're using the versions inside the virtual environment. Your shell prompt will usually change to indicate the active environment, example venv, $. 4. Install packages, using pip inside the environment. 5. Run your Python code *. 6. Deactivate the virtual environment, when you're done. This restores your shell environment to its previous state. Example, a simple Flask application. Steps to run this application. 1. Create a project directory, mkdir miflask and cd miflask. 2. Create and activate a virtual environment, Python 3 mvenv and source venv/bin/activate. 3. Install Flask, pip install Flask. 4. Save the code above as appy. 5. Run the application, Python appy. 6. Open your browser and go to http://127.0.0.1:5000/ or the address shown in the terminal. 7. Deactivate the environment, deactivate. Summary, best practices. * Always use virtual environments for your Python projects. * Never use sudo pip to install packages for your projects. Use it only for installing system-wide tools like virtualenv, if needed. * Create virtual environments in directories that you own. * Keep your global Python installation as clean as possible. Avoid installing packages globally unless they are absolutely necessary for system-wide functionality. * Be mindful of your Python path. Ensure that the correct Python interpreter is being used when creating and activating virtual environments. * Update your package manager's lists before installing Python 3 venv or similar packages, example sudo apt update. * Read the error messages carefully. They often provide clues about the underlying problem. * Consult your operating system's documentation or online resources for specific solutions related to permissions or package management. By following these guidelines, you can avoid common errors and maintain a clean, organized, and secure Python development environment. Remember to tailor the solutions to your specific operating system and environment. Good luck.